Hi everyone, warm welcome to all. On 13th of June, Jupiter will enter Rohini Nakshatra till 21st of August and then again in November 2024 till April 2025. This is one of the most auspicious and nurturing transit for Jupiter. Rohini Nakshatra is associated with fertility, emotional sensitivity, with increased intuition and nurturing energy. During this transit, Jupiter's influence can enhance all these qualities, leading to increased productivity and growth in various aspects of our life, especially family, relationships, and creativity. We can be emotionally stable and strong, which can lead to proper responses, decisions, and action. If we are using this strong energy of Jupiter and Moon properly, do not ignore your intuition here. That's the blessing. The surge of emotions or this energy can go other way around also if not handled well. Wherever we put our focus or our mind, that energy will gradually increase. When Jupiter makes connection with Moon in transit, it often brings a sense of emotional expansion, optimism, and all over well being. It can enhance feelings of positivity, generosity, and harmony within family and our own self. Try to recall your time before 12 years. In 2012, 2000, in 1988, when Jupiter was in Rohini Nakshatra, what was your experience back then? You can expect a similar kind of happening in some different form, this time also depending on your current dasha time. But do remember the missing lessons that time, which can be useful now. You can expect some concrete results of those things that you have started or thought of around December 2020 and the first half of 2021, as that was the time when Jupiter and Saturn were conjunct in Capricorn and both were together in Shravana Nakshatra, Moon's Nakshatra. Currently, also, the three of them, Saturn, Jupiter, and Moon, are making connection. Saturn is in Purvabhadrapad Nakshatra and Jupiter is in Rohini Nakshatra. Moon, the lord of Rohini, is exalted in Taurus and Jupiter gets exalted in Cancer, Moon's sign. There are strong energies here. Taurus is associated with material wealth and resources, and Jupiter's connection with Moon here can signify a time of financial expansion and abundance. We may experience increased opportunities for financial growth, higher income, profitable investments, or successful business ventures. Be cautious of mood swings and fluctuations with the different phases of Moon. But Taurus is a fixed earth sign here, which will help our sustainable growth. Certainly, there will be comfort of family, good food, happiness, security, and stability with feel good factor. Interestingly, Jupiter gets stationary direct in Rohini at 17 degrees. And out of its 1 year transit in Taurus, Jupiter spends more than 6 months in this Rohini Nakshatra. With Jupiter in Kritika, there was dominance of fire energy, resulting in insensitivity and less of emotions. But with Rohini, there will be soothing energy with mixture of water and earth element. Rohini is a Chara, movable nakshatra. indicating dynamic and active energy. There is natural, strong desire for growth, change, and adventure. And Moon, its lord, is the fastest moving planet. We can expect fast result now of Jupiter and even Saturn, as Saturn is in Jupiter's Purva Bhadrapad Nakshatra for next 1 year. When Jupiter connects with Moon, it brings movement, change, or some shift in the current situation or even relocation. For Taurus, Jupiter is the 8th and the 11th lord. So, any change or movement will be very beneficial. Also, Rohini is associated with fertility, wealth, growth, and nourishment. When Jupiter transits through Rohini, there can be increased sense of care, support, and nurturing energy. All the qualities and the best qualities of Moon. Rohini is ruled by the deity Brahma, the creator of the universe. Rohini's symbol is a chariot or a cart representing progressive movement. This symbolizes the journey and the purpose of our life. It is associated with the Rajas Gun, which represents passion, desire, ambitions. Expect strong drive to achieve success here. See, Rohini is a serpent nakshatra also. It symbolizes transformation, fertility, and hidden wisdom. The Shakti of Rohini is the power to create growth and fertility. It is associated with goddess Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth, beauty, and prosperity. Moon is particularly strong in Rohini, making it a favorable time for all the activities related to growth, abundance, and creativity, or any artistic projects, agriculture, business, or any field that involves nurturing and growth. There is natural charm and grace with creativity, but there can be overindulgence, stubbornness of this fixed earth energy, or a tendency to cling to comfort and security and not do anything. It is very important to balance the desire for growth with practicality and moderation. Rohini is known for its emotional depth and sensitivity. We also have Ketu in Hasta Nakshatra, Moon's Nakshatra. So, Jupiter in Rohini can reduce Ketu's impact in Hasta Nakshatra and can bring emotional healing, inner peace, and a sense of fulfillment in our relations. It can better our health and our personal life. It's a favorable time for nurturing emotional connections, resolving conflicts, and encouraging harmony in all our interpersonal relations. But with each Navamsha change of Jupiter, the feeling and the energy will be different. Our focus can change and our purpose is different. While in Rohini, Jupiter will transit Aries, Taurus, Gemini, and Cancer Navamsha. Jupiter in Aries Navamsha may enhance all the qualities of leadership, courage, and taking initiative. We may feel driven to take action and pursue our goals with enthusiasm. The target can be to have growth and personal development. It can be the best time to start something new to fulfill our desires and express ourselves boldly. Then Jupiter in Taurus Navamsha will be very strong in Vargottam to give excellent results. Internally, it can be the time of comfort, growth in terms of personal values, and finer things of life. It is everything about material security, financial growth, and family stability. There could be stress on building solid foundation for our future goals. Then Jupiter in Gemini Navamsha may highlight intellectual curiosity, communication skill, and adaptability. We may lean to learning new things, education, and expanding our knowledge base. Expect new opportunities for networking, socializing, and engaging in diverse interests. This can be the best time to exchange our ideas and communicate freely. Then Jupiter in its exalted Cancer Navamsha may bring emotional sensitivity, all the nurturing qualities, and a strong connection to our family and home. It is the time to create a secure and supportive environment with a sense of belonging. It may also signify a time of inner growth, emotional fulfillment, and deepening our connection with our roots. See, Jupiter spends its maximum time in Gemini and Cancer Navamsha. The second and the third from its D1 position, which is very positive. And your focus can be to attain peace and fulfillment, particularly in domestic and family life. Let us see for each ascendant what Jupiter will bring individually for us. Check the Taurus and Cancer sign for the impact, and also Virgo, Scorpio, and Capricorn as Jupiter aspects here. Jupiter gives its best results where it aspects. Jupiter offers new opportunities for creative expression, material success, and emotional fulfillment while in Rohini Nakshatra. So look for growth and abundance in all these signs. Aries. Jupiter in Rohini Nakshatra may bring opportunities for financial growth and stability. It could manifest as increased income and success in property investments. Focus on building long term security and stability around you. You can work on domestic matters and having emotional happiness. It is a time to focus on family, home, and having your peace of mind. Taurus, you may feel particularly very blessed during this transit. Jupiter's influence in Rohini can enhance your natural talents and can bring opportunities for growth, prosperity, personal development, and fulfillment in various areas of your life. Most importantly, it will bring change in yourself, your personality, your health. Your approach towards life will be different from here. There can be new opportunities for communication, learning, and new social connections. It is a very favorable time for travel, expanding your knowledge, and engaging in some meaningful conversations. Gemini, Jupiter in Rohini may highlight spiritual growth and reflection through long distance travel or by being alone in the nature. It is the time to reflect on your own beliefs, expand your spiritual practices, and that will help you to seek wisdom and understanding in your life. It is the time to work on your financial growth, focus on stable investments, and building a solid foundation for your future family security. Cancer, you may have new opportunities for increasing your income and your resources, and that will lead to financial security and prosperity. It is a very favorable time for networking, joining new groups, and fulfilling your desires with the support of others. Expect increased confidence, personal growth, and overall well being. It is a period of expansion and optimism where you may feel more in tune with your emotions and your inner desires. Leo, you may experience growth in your career, investments, or new foreign collaborations, business opportunities, leading to increased prosperity and security. It is the time to set ambitious goals, pursue leadership opportunities, and showcase your talents and your abilities in your professional area. Expect emotional healing through introspection, traveling, and connecting with your inner self. But be careful with your investments, your expenses, as you may incur some losses also. Virgo, there is a sense of adventure, higher learning, travel, and expanding your horizons. It is a very favorable time for education, exploring new culture, and broadening your understanding through new experiences. Expect fulfillment of your desires, new opportunities for networking, socializing, and joining bigger groups. Libra, you may experience deep emotional transformation and growth during this time. It is the time for inner healing, releasing old patterns and embracing new beginnings with a sense of abundance and renewal. Work on your financial growth and your stability. Expect name, fame, some new career development. Set ambitious goals. Show your talent and take up some new roles in your work zone. Scorpio, it is a very good time for your close relationships and partnerships. Expect some development here. It is a time to deepen your connections, cultivate harmony in your partnership, and explore opportunities for collaborations and mutual growth. Strengthening your bond with your bosses, elders, and father figures. It is a very favorable time for travel, exploring new cultures, pursuing educational opportunities, and broadening your perspective towards life. Sagittarius, you may experience improvement in your health and overall well being. Your aim is to maintain a balanced lifestyle for optimal vitality, adopt holistic healing practices, and proper self care routine. This time can bring some change. Sudden and unexpected events can happen. So be careful with all your dealings, your finances, and maintain stability for your own benefit. Capricorn, this transit may bring out your creative and artistic talents. You may get success and recognition for your passion, your hobbies, or any work projects, and that can lead to fulfillment and joy. You may work on achieving some lasting relations, partnerships, and emotional connection with others. It is a very good time for deepening your bonds, cultivate harmony, and exploring opportunities for collaborations with others. Aquarius, you may focus on family, real estate, and domestic matters during this time and experience growth and harmony within your home environment. You may work on strengthening your relationship with family members and creating a sense of stability and security. Now is the time to focus on your health, your well being, and perfecting your daily routines. Adopt healthy habits, prioritize your self care, and focus on personal development. Pisces, you may find this time beneficial for communication and learning new things, for expanding knowledge, engaging in meaningful conversations, and connecting with others in your social circle. This time can bring opportunities for creativity, self expression, and romance for you. You can indulge in your passion, any artistic work, and have joy and pleasure in your life. That was all about the impact on all the ascendants. Overall, Jupiter's transit through Rohini Nakshatra can be very auspicious and favorable for growth, abundance, and prosperity. Family relationships may benefit as it promotes the qualities of nurturing, support, and emotional fulfillment. Just be careful of your mood swings and fluctuation in your emotions. It can strengthen bonds within family, communities, and partnerships, encouraging harmony and mutual growth if handled well. Expect overall well being, healing, restoration, and vitality. Use this time for holistic health practices, self care routine. Nurture your talent and your skills, and do cultivate a sense of abundance and fulfillment in your life. That was all about this session. I hope this was helpful. Best wishes to everyone with this transit. Thank you for your time and do share your feedback. Stay tuned with this channel for more updates. Thank you.